All right, everyone. So welcome to our brand new series for mastering daily/session bias. If you've been following my content, you already know that understanding daily or session bias is one of the most critical skills for consistent success in day trading. In this series, I will be talking about different ways or models that traders can use to determine their daily or session bias. These models are versatile, time tested, because I did back test them. Okay, making sure I'm not giving you just some random crap to fill up some YouTube space or whatever. Okay, and here's the exciting part: it is highly adaptable to your own trading styles and strategies, even the ones that I am making, have made, and will continue to make. All right, each model I will explore in this series can stand alone as a powerful tool, but when combined with other models or trading strategies, that's where the real magic happens. You'll learn how to layer these tools and customize them to create a framework that suits your unique trading style. Now, before we dive into the models, here's something I need to make clear. This series builds on concepts I've already covered in previous content about daily bias. If you haven't watched those videos yet, pause here and go back and watch them first. Some of the models we'll be covering are advanced and require a solid understanding of foundational concepts. Now, here's what you can expect from this series. Number one being model variety. We'll cover everything from basic tools to advanced models that institutional traders swear by. Practical application. You'll see live examples and step-by-step breakdowns for every model, so you'll know exactly how to apply them to your own trading. And number three, combination techniques. We'll discuss how to blend different models and align them with your existing strategies for maximum precision. Now, as always, I do emphasize back testing and forward testing and journaling. Why? Because they are non-negotiable if you're serious about improving your edge. By the end of this series, you'll have a toolkit of models to help you pinpoint daily bias like a pro and take your trading to the next level. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready to dive deep into the art and science of daily bias. Let's make your trading journey a successful one, and I'll see you in the first episode. Peace.